Want to send an email to multiple people without them seeing each other's addresses? Here's how to do it in Outlook in under 60 seconds. First, open Outlook and click on New Mail. Now, look to the right of the To field and click BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. This is your best friend for private group emails. Now, type the email addresses of all the recipients into the BCC field instead of To or CC. When you hit Send, each person will receive the message without seeing who else got it. Perfect for newsletters, client updates, or group messages where privacy matters. Small habits like this make you look more professional and protect your contacts. And hey, if this helped, even just a bit, imagine what our next videos could teach you. Drop a like, leave a quick comment, or hit subscribe. It fuels the content, and you'll always stay ahead of the curve.